Hello once again. The company ELEGOO was so generous enough to send me another kit to check out, and this is their Robot Mini Car. This is a electronics kit, kind of meant for kids 6 years and older. It's actually a pretty neat kit. It's got a few screws and stuff in it, some little bits of hardware, but be something very simple to help a kid put together. Some of the specs on this kit. It uses a Arduino Nano. It uses the Arduino IDE or their mobile app, the ELEGOO BLE tool. It's got an infrared sensor. It's got a motor, buzzers, LEDs. It comes with a lithium battery for it. It does a line tracking mode, so the little robot follow lines around. It's got two motors in it. It's got USB or Bluetooth connection to the controller, and the controller supports I2C, pulse width modulation, 5 volt and 3.3 volts. And yeah, be a neat little kit. So let's unbox it and see what we have inside. Alright, so right off the bat, first thing is we have this little box. And in this box is all the laser cut wooden pieces for it. 4 sheets of those. That's pretty neat. They look very well laser cut. Very nice. I like those. Here is the instruction sheet, and it's got lines on it for the line robot following deal. And the instruction sheet is actually a pretty large sheet here, so it'd be pretty neat. Pretty easy for a kid to follow with a little bit of help. Next up, we have stickers for the car, with a couple different sets of stickers, so they can decorate the car how they like. Now, next up in the box is the 2 little motor gearbox setups. We have the little ball. This is the 2-wheel drive car, and then for the front end it runs on this little roller ball here, so that's what that is. This is a little header for connecting. Yeah, you can probably connect servos up and a number of other sensors and stuff to that. Some screws for hardware, and this is the controller itself. As you see, it uses Arduino Nano. I really like the Nanos. Those are really good Arduinos. It's got a buzzer on it. There's a switch, so you can switch between your different modes. Button there, the USB, micro USB port. Here is your infrared sensor also. So another little switch here, probably for the power. And then the motors will connect up here. In here also, right here with a little screwdriver for it, is just your cable that goes from this header into this. This is the battery pack, and it connects up. Right there, the battery pack connects up there, so it will charge off of the USB to charge this here little lithium battery. And then we have the 2 wheels, some more screws, a couple standoffs, and a USB cord. So that's everything in the kit. So it's a really simple kit. This control board, it looks very well made. The soldering's really good on it, and yeah, I really like it. It's rather tight, but the Nano is in headers there, so it can be removed if you have to. So you can either I wonder if you can, we'll find out, program it from here or here. I wonder if you're able to do that. I will find out. I'm sure it's got all the charge protection and everything like that for the battery. And then right here, this is the little Bluetooth module on it also, so you can connect to it Bluetooth using the phone app. And we'll get into that later on when we build the car. So, right off the bat, this looks to be a really nice little simple kit. It's got the screwdriver in there for all the little screws, hardware pieces. So it looks to be a very nice kit. I really like how it's made. It looks pretty simple. And then next up will be the building of this kit. Now I have a little special something or other going to help me build this kit, and it will be my 8-year-old son, my little buddy, and we are going to build this kit together and get it working and show him how this works and see if he likes it, see if he learns a little bit, and play around. I'm not too sure if this is pre-programmed, ready to run. We will get into that when we get it built and start figuring that stuff out. But first impressions, looks like a very nice little kit. Very easily made. These kits can be picked up off of Amazon. And yeah, I'm happy with how it looks. So next up, I will get my little buddy in here and we will get to building this kit. Alright, to set up the software side for the little mini robot, the first thing you'll have to do is go in and download the files for it. The robot is not pre-programmed, so what you need to do is go to the website shown here on the bottom of the screen, and it'll also be linked in the description. So just go down here where it says the ELEGOO Robot Car Mini version 1.0 and click on that, and you will download a zip file and just open that up when it's downloaded. And what you end up with is a bunch of files that look like this. Now you have the ELEGOO BLE tool. You don't need that. You can download that on your app store of choice, whether it be Apple or Google. You have the mini car 3D models. This is just drawings of the car itself. Other folder here, the mini car function introduction. That is some files that give you lessons on the different modes, on setting up like the mobile control, the mini cars, the movement of it, the line following, obstacle avoidance, auto follow mode, and explore mode. We may get into them later on. The mini car folder is the one we are most interested in right now, but we'll come to that in just a moment. The related chip information. This is data sheets for some of the chips on the car, on the control board, so you can look at that if you want, if you're curious about that kind of stuff. But let's go into the mini car folder. Now what we want to do is also go into the second mini car folder inside of that. At this point, if it's something you do not already have, you will need the Arduino IDE, and we can get that in one of two places. One place is on the ELEGOO website. You can download it here for Windows, Mac, Linux, and then there's the BLE tool for Android, or you can get it on the Arduino.cc website and just go into the software downloads, and down here you can select it for Windows, Mac, or Linux, and let's go with the Windows installer. And then if you want to, you can contribute some money to them or just hit just download, and you will download the Arduino file and then just run it and install it, and you are ready to go. Now open up the minicar.ini file, and the Arduino IDE will open up. Now this is the Arduino IDE. This is what Arduino uses for programming. You can program any of the Arduinos with this program. So if it's nothing you're familiar with right now, just do not mess with any of the code or anything like that. And later on, you can learn how to use this stuff. I absolutely love the Arduinos. So first things first, go to Tools, go to Board, select the board we are using, which in this case is the Arduino Nano. And then we will go down here to COM port, and we want COM 3. And then just absolutely make sure, go down here to the programmer and be sure that AVR ISP is connected, is selected. So, and then all you do now is click the arrow here to upload. Down at the bottom of the screen on the left hand side there, you see it saying compiling sketch, and then it will say uploading. And at this time you'll see some other lights on the Arduino on the control board flash, and then done uploading. So that's it for programming the Arduino right now. If by chance you are having problems getting the code to upload onto the Arduino, look at the switch on it, the switch that selects Bluetooth or download. Be sure that switch is not on Bluetooth and it is switched to download. When I first started messing around with this thing, I kind of pulled my hair out some trying to figure out what is going on, and that was the issue. I just selected the switch to download and no problems at all after that. Okay, I got my little buddy here to help me work on this here robot car. Say hi, Aiden.
Hi. Hi.
Alright, Aiden's 8 years old and he's going to help me out. So, here we go, dude.
Okay.
This is all our wooden pieces.
Okay, can I put them together?
Yep.
See what it looks like?
Yep, sure can. So here's all our wooden pieces.
Okay.
Now, hold on. Just hold on.
This is not what I expected.
Yep.
I expected to be like
Alright,
each side.
these are,
I expected them to be, hey, can I get this one out since it's almost out?
just wait.
Okay.
Wait. Alright.
I'm so excited about this.
Good. So, the
Okay.
instructions are a great big old sheet here.
Oh yeah, that looks huge. Okay, that is huge instructions.
Yep. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn them over right here.
Oh hey.
This is all of our pieces. Okay.
Okay.
So this will be pieces that we need.
It looks like a marble inside of it.
And then this shows where we put the pieces at. Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to need this little package right here.
Okay. There's lots of small pieces in this package, so you don't want to lose any of them whatsoever.
Nope. Okay. So also in this comes with a little screwdriver.
Okay. Now the screwdriver is a little bigger, but you still don't want to lose that. That's pretty small. Ooh, can I do the screws?
Alright, yep, sure can. So,
Yes!
we need this piece.
Can I take it out?
Yep, so with these laser cut pieces, you just kind of gently bend them and they'll pop
Laser
right out.
cut?
Yep, they're laser cut pieces.
Did aliens do it?
No. Alright, hold on.
Laser.
Alright, this is the first piece we need. Okay?
Ooh, it has a word on there.
Yep. This is the first piece we need.
Okay.
So, we need to make sure it's turned over the right way.
Guessing that's the bottom of the car?
Yep, this is the bottom.
Yes, I got it right.
So what we'll do is these little things,
Yes. Oh.
these are called standoffs.
Can I
So what
try?
you do,
Can I try?
yep, here, I'll do the first one and then you can do the next one.
I
Alright?
wanna Put one in
So see, put a screw up through the bottom. Look, hey,
there. Okay.
put a screw up through the bottom.
So,
No, don't put a screw in it yet, dude.
then you screw that on there.
You screw
And
it
then
down on there.
bam! You got the.
And then you hold it
And you screw it in.
and you put the screw in, you tighten it in. There you go. Alright, you do the next one. Put the screw in the hole.
Okay. Just gotta drop it in there.
There you go. Alright, turn this over and then screw that onto the screw. There you go. Now
As tight
turn
as
it
I
over.
could.
Alright. The screw. I'll hold the thing on the bottom. Alright, that looks pretty good. Alright.
I can't wait to drive it.
Yep. So next, what we need to do is we need to put the,
The what?
looks like we're going to put the control board on it.
The control board? Ooh.
Yep.
How do you control it?
This is the brains of the thing right here.
Hmm.
So let's see here. And it sets.
Humans have
Got
brains
these
too.
these little sensors. It sets in the hole. It goes like so.
So, devices have brains like us? Like my tablet has a brain?
Yes.
Like that thing got a brain?
Alright, so now, what do? Screw through the top here, through the control board, in that.
Oh, can I screw them in?
Yep, hold on. We need another piece here.
Another piece? Okay,
Yep.
this is the cool part. The control board is the cool part.
We need this guy here, a little roller ball.
Little roller ball. It looks like a marble.
Yep, it kind of is. It's a marble inside of it.
Cool, so they use marbles for lots of cool stuff. They even use them for tracks for kids.
Yep.
Remember my marble truck I have
Yep, now.
downstairs?
Alright. We'll put this screw in there. You're not going to get really crazy with that either.
Okay. Gotta be very careful so you don't break the wood.
Actually, you don't want to break the board.
Yeah.
That's the most important part.
Yeah, you don't.
Okay.
Yeah, and you don't want to break the wood either, or it's ruined.
There's another knot. Alright, you screw this one in.
Okay. This way?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Screw it in. Oh. And I think that's good.
Alright, let me see.
Got a little hard to screw it in. You know, the more you
That'll
screw
do.
it in, the heavier.
That'll do. Okay, now the next thing we do is, here's what we're doing here.
Okay.
We're going to take these side pieces.
Okay, can I get them out?
This one here, take that side out. And I'll tell you what, I'll pop this side out.
Okay.
There you go. Pop that side out, and I'll pop this one out.
There we go.
Alright.
It looks like a car base, because it is a car base.
Yes, it is a car. Okay, now,
Wait, this one already
These
has
are-
windows in it.
yep, these are our motors that drive it.
Motors? Ooh.
We got two of them.
Every car needs a motor. Without a motor, a car would just go 0 miles per hour.
Okay, here, take your motor.
Okay.
See this little spot right here?
Yeah.
When you put it on the back side of this, that little spot will go into that hole.
Okay.
Square?
The little spot goes in that hole.
Yep.
I did it.
And then we'll take
Screw it in.
this little screw.
You have to make sure it's like very.
We'll run a little screw down through there,
Alright.
and a little screw down through there.
Where's screwdriver? Oh, there it
And
is.
then, hold on, we need some of these pieces.
Oh, some of
Hold
those
on,
pieces.
yep.
What are those?
We will find out in just a moment.
Okay, I'm gonna look at them.
Alright, we need them pieces, and we need these little guys right here. Kind of
Little.
pop them out. If they, the laser cut pieces, bud, if they don't pop right out, if you just take them and kind of just rock them around, then
Like a helmet?
then they'll snap loose. There we
Okay.
go. Alright, so let's turn this over. Alright, let's look at the instructions, and one of these goes, and it goes down like that, this piece.
Okay.
And then we have these little itty bitty tiny nuts right here.
Itty bitty nuts.
So
So,
one of them will go on
remember,
to
you
it.
don't want to lose these pieces.
Nope.
All the stuff is important.
Yep.
If you lose one thing, it's not gonna work. Red. Yeah.
So we take our bottom with the control board,
And we
and this
pop it on.
slots in there like so.
Yeah, it makes little
And then
pop
that's where
noise.
these, see these here? This is what holds it together. You take one of these,
Okay,
and
cool.
you'll press it in there like that.
Yeah.
So take this side.
And I pop it in there.
Yep. Turn it around like that.
and
There you
then
go.
around, Then just
That'll go into the notch.
slide it in there.
Like that, push it
and
down.
then
Now
put it
take one of these
upside
little,
down,
take one of
do
these.
that, and gotta push it in.
Push it in. Very
That was
good.
easy.
Very, very good. Now then, let's see. What else do we need to do?
Well,
We need to do the same thing right here. We put one in here.
Okay.
There's another one right there.
You do one, I do one.
Okay. Haha. Got mine in. I'll help you. There we go.
Yeah.
That holds the sides onto it.
Now it's starting to look more like a car.
Yep, it sure does.
Yeah.
Now then, we look at the instructions and we look at what motor goes to where. See, the motors plug into these plugs right here.
Okay, I see now.
So this one here,
And then that
right
one in the other
there.
side.
Can you plug the other one in?
Yeah.
It only goes in one way.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I got it right.
There you go. So this motor goes into that plug and this motor goes into that plug.
Yeah.
Easy, easy.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Yep. All right. Now, the next step is put the wheels on the back of it.
Okay.
And here's the wheels. Nope, these are the wheels that goes on the back.
Silly me.
These are the wheels.
Okay, so do you just pop them on?
So they go on.
You just push them on?
Hold on. They probably got a notch in. See how this is flat on two sides?
Yeah.
See how the hole in the wheel is flat on two sides?
Oh.
So you have to wiggle it around and line that up.
Okay, now I
There's
try.
this side.
So flat on two ends. That
Yep,
part's
just
flat.
put it on there and kind of just turn it until you kind of feel it go into place. There you go. Good job.
Yay!
Now then, we take these long screws.
The cool thing about it is it has
put one of them down into
two
it.
wheels.
We take one of these long screws and we screw it down into it.
No, wheel test.
Like that, tighten it down. Alright, you want to do this one?
Yeah.
Yep.
After that, I want to see if the wheels can turn.
There we go.
Just to do an extra test.
Alright, screw that one down in there. There you go. Keep turning, keep turning. Till it gets tight.
And I think it's tight enough.
Alright, that'll do. Okay. Now the wheels are on. Now we mount the battery. This is the battery to it.
Yeah. Can it charge?
Yep. And
Cool.
I've already plugged it in and charged it up, so it's all charged up, so we don't have to wait for that.
And I can use it for 2 hours. Because on the instruction manual it says that the battery power is 2 hours.
Yep. Alright, so the battery sets, remember our little standoff things we put in right here?
Yeah.
The battery sets right on top of them.
Okay, cool. Can I put them in there? Can I put it in?
Yep, let's
Okay. Gotta put a little screw in there, I think.
screw. We're going to go ahead and put them into the holes on the battery.
Okay.
Like that. So now,
And then when you get the battery in, you have to screw them in there, just like we did at the first part.
Yep, here, I'll get them started.
That was the very first thing we did.
I'll get them started and then you can...
Finish them off?
Yep. There we go, they're started. You want to screw them down?
Yeah. Yeah. Battery can be a little wiggly to it. Screw it a bit.
That'll do. Next one.
There we go.
There you go. Good job. And then we'll go ahead and plug the battery in.
Where?
It goes right.
Oh, that's an odd place. Okay,
Okay,
that
so
works
our
now.
battery's plugged in. I'll just take these wires and kind of just push them down there.
Push them down, yeah.
So next,
I'm excited about this.
alright, next step is we got to put this piece right, not that one, this piece. You want to pop this big piece out?
Yeah.
Pop it out. There you go.
That was easy.
Good job. Now then, where's
Do
this
this.
dude go? We will take this
And put him...
and we put this onto it.
What? That is small.
This
is it
is
called?
for connecting other things up to it. We could hook up other sensors. We could hook up servos. Just a whole number of things using this here. So this will mount up to it. Let's see here.
And I see what that part's for. It's for this. But we're not to that step yet.
So we'll do that.
I think that step's right after this.
We got the right direction now.
Okay.
Put a screw in.
Then we gotta put nuts in, right?
Yep.
Do I get to screw in?
Yep, sure do.
Yeah.
We'll put both screws in. And then I will start the nuts.
Yeah.
There we go. Alright, you want to screw them down?
Yeah. Snap. Oops.
Tight as you can get it. Alright, good job.
I know just what to do with this piece.
Yep. We'll take it
So first,
and plug it in right here.
yeah, and then we'll plug it in there.
Yep. And it'll only go one way.
I know which way it can go because of the little slots.
Yep.
That side's kind of coming off.
Want me to help you?
Yeah, I need help.
Yeah. Some of these can be a little tight, so let's...
Yeah, it's pretty tough to put them in
There we go.
sometimes.
That one was a little tight. So then...
Can I put that one in?
Yep. Sure can. Okay. There you got it. Good job. Kind of popped in place.
Yeah.
All right. Now.
I knew just.
It's all right.
So I think this is the roof.
Now let's fold the instructions up here some so we can fold them out here with the rest.
Okay. Ooh, I can't wait for this part.
Uh-huh. So now we can let's take this piece, pop that piece out.
Okay. There we
There
go.
we go. And this piece here
Goes right in the front. That's the bumper of the car.
sure does. It goes right in the front.
And
Kind
it
of
has
push it
these
down.
3 little holes for something very important that we
So
need.
it kind of notches down there.
Notch.
Now then, next we'll put this piece on. We'll pop this one out.
Okay. I'm guessing that part
There we go.
goes
All
right
right.
up here.
Yep.
Like this.
Yep. Like that.
Now we're putting all the stuff on
Okay, wiggle it around
all
there,
the
and
wood
then
on top of the car so
take
no
it and
controls show.
push it forward a little bit to lock it in place.
To lock
And then the next piece is
this piece, right?
Oh.
This piece?
this one right here. We need this piece.
Yep, the windshield is the windshield is a very important piece.
Turn it over.
I mean,
Okay.
if you do not have a windshield on your car, that'd be bad. Very, very bad.
Can you put it in place?
Right.
Have to kind of push it out on the side there.
And bam.
And then there
Lock
we
it
go.
in place. Lock that back
There
in
we
place.
go. Make sure it's all locked in place. And
Yep.
then,
What
now
happened?
what do we put on?
Now we put on.
We need this piece right there. Pop
Okay,
it
the
out.
skinny piece.
Yep.
Skinny with me.
There
Where
you
does that
go?
go?
Let's see where it goes. And it looks like it goes right. See this notch right here and this notch right here? It sits down in them.
Okay. Now we do not. I just said donut. We do not have to lock this one in place.
Nope, they get it held in by another piece. There we go.
There we go. Yep.
All right. And now then, we put.
The front. This part on.
Yep. We'll put this back on. We'll pop this piece out
Okay.
right here. There you go.
Now I think I might be able to.
Yep. The hole goes up. Turn it over. Turn it over. Turn it
Hold
over.
up.
Yep.
Turn it over. Turn it over. Turn it over.
There you go.
And
You have to kind of push this side out some, push it down.
there
Snaps into place.
we
Perfect.
go. Now I'm guessing we need this piece.
Yep.
That was right.
There you go.
Pop that out.
Let's go right here. All right. Now then.
The top.
Yep. Let's take this piece here and move it. So the wires go in behind it.
And then we have to do that and push it back to lock it in place.
Yep.
Man, this is awesome.
Let's see. Do we? Oh,
What
hold
about
on.
these things?
Okay.
What are the extras for?
Let's spin this around like that. We had it right the first time. Let's put that in there. We'll put that in. There
Okay,
we go.
good. Now that we have to
Looks
lock
like a
it.
car, don't it?
Yep, sure does, with two wheels.
Pretty cool.
That's
Now
cool.
then,
Okay, I see what
we
holds it
take. I'm gonna pop these little guys out.
up. Yep. I
Alright.
wondered what these were for.
Pop all three of them out.
Pop, pop, and
There you go. Good job.
there we go.
Now then, let's pop these out.
Pop. And the other
That'll be
one.
the last of our pieces.
Yep. And then we get to do.
Alright,
very
hold on.
exciting.
Hold on. Yep, yep. Hold on.
We get to do
Alright.
this.
See, these two go together?
Okay. Those go
Like
together.
so.
Oh, and I see where you put them on the back. It's like a tire on the back of a car, just in
Yep.
case the other one goes flat. Just
Now
in case
poke in
one
there.
goes flat.
Alright. Push it in that hole there.
There we go.
Yeah, push the middle. Push the middle in. Push the middle piece in. Push that. Push, 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 push. It's nice and tight. Little wiggle. There we go. Perfect.
Now if a tire goes flat, we have an emergency.
Yep. All right. That looks like it's all put together. You want to do the stickers?
Oh, yes, I do.
All right. We'll probably have to take the wheels back off to put the stickers on it.
Yeah, you're right, Daddy. You have to.
But
first, let's
we
put
can
the
start
sign.
with.
The windshield.
We'll start with. Do you have the windshield?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have the windshield? All right, you want to go with that one? We got two different cars. Well,
This
no. This is the sides. These are the top. You can use, that's the back.
That's the back. Okay.
Yep.
Why
so
is there a spacesuit?
that's a guy we can put in the window or something. All right, you want to put that one on the back? Let me pop this back out.
Pop that out because, yes, sir. Yeah, when you're putting the stickers on, you have to
Be
pop.
nice. Be careful with it.
You may have to pop some pieces out.
There you go. Make sure it's all nice and straight. That'll do. Press it down real good.
Yep. So the stickers don't fall off.
All right, you want to do
The
this
back
piece?
part.
This one
And
here?
the wheel. Okay.
Huh.
I
Want to
can
do
do
this?
that.
Want to do that sticker right there?
Then on top of it, we'll have to do the wheel.
Move all our bits we're done with.
Yep.
All right. Nope, turn it over. The hole.
Oopsies.
There you go.
The hole. I forgot about the
Line the hole up.
The hole.
There you go.
The hole.
Good job, good job.
Woohoo! Now it's starting to get colorful.
Now,
Colorful.
we can take this.
This piece.
You want to put it on one of these?
Put it on.
Put it on one of these.
Oops.
Let me help you.
This one's hard to get off.
Yep, we'll get it. There we go.
There we go. Hard to get
Pop
off.
the little center of the sticker out.
Yep.
Should we line the square hole up with the hole? Best you can.
Best I can. That looks pretty good.
Good job. I'm going to put these two back together.
And then, can I pry that in?
Sure
Gotta
can.
Pry that in.
Poke it on the back.
And now we have the back done. Little wiggle, get that in.
There we go.
Now we have the back of the car done.
Sure do. Alright. You want to put the big sticker on the top?
Yeah, the big.
This one right here. You're going to have some bits of it that come out.
Yeah, there is. Wait, oopsies, I got out the wrong sticker.
That's okay. Which one is that? Is that the one that goes on the front here?
Yeah, it does.
There you go. That's no big deal. See there?
No big deal.
Good job. Alright, next.
Is the big piece.
Want to do the big piece?
Yeah. So is this like a robot?
Mm-hmm.
Can it sense what is around it?
Well, we'll get into that. And then we'll pop this little piece.
Pop that in.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Right into the middle. Now to lock everything together.
Yep.
Alright, you want to put...
Yeah, let's take the wheels off now.
Let's put the
Windshield on.
windshield on it. You got two different windshields you want to pick out. You got one with eyes and one without.
No eyes.
No eyes?
I don't
All
like
right.
eyes. I don't like the one with eyes. I can't get it off. It's kind of hard to get these stickers off.
Yeah. A little patience.
Yeah. Little patience. It's all thanks.
There you go. You want to put this one on?
The cool thing is, if we were to rip this one, we'd have a backup one. It's just the backup one has eyes.
It's alright.
I'd rather no
There you go.
eyes.
You got that one centered up really good.
Yeah.
Press it down.
Yeah,
Real
that was
good.
Okay, now it's starting to look like a real car. Now we need to take the wheels off. Don't we? So we can put these parts on?
Not yet. We got one more piece.
Not yet.
We got another sticker to put on. Take this one off. And that one goes on the front.
This one off. And whoop.
There you go.
Alright, the 3 holes go at the 3 holes. And got it centered up pretty
Alright.
good.
Press it all down. Now, if you want to go ahead and start pulling one of these out, you got a piece right, get a couple little spots there. You got to
Take
poke
out
out.
so we can put the wheels back in.
Yep. So I'll take the wheels off while you pull that out.
Now I can put it on.
There you go. Kind of line it up the best you can.
Perfect.
Good job. Right on. Good job indeed. You want to pick a person to put in the windshield to drive?
That one looks more like me. Yeah.
You want to put that one? You want to put it on the windshield?
No, I want to put him in the passenger seat, and I want to put a guy in a spacesuit in the driver's seat.
Okay.
So
While you're doing that, I'll put this screw back
I'm
in.
in the passenger seat, and then you have a spacesuit on and then you have a spacesuit on in the driver's seat. I'm in the passengers. Now we gotta put the spacesuit in the driver's. Because you are driving. We're going outer space in our car. Alright, got that. Gotta put that on there. Yeah, it's like we're having so much fun. We're having so much
There we go.
fun.
That's you? And that's me?
Yeah,
I'm in the spacesuit?
yeah.
Awesome.
For no reason.
This is the car all built. Pretty
Yay.
easy to put together, huh?
Yep.
Yep.
Now can we test drive it?
I like how it's got these notches and stuff like that, so we could hook other things up to it if we ever wanted to.
Yeah.
Okay, so. Oops. So, now I've already got it programmed. I did that.
You programmed it?
Yep.
So now we're going to turn it on? And
Yep, and I showed how to do that, and we can control it with a phone.
Oh, can I do it?
So,
Can I do it?
yes you may.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start the app up.
Wait, there's an app for it?
Sure is. Just for this
Whoa.
car.
Hey, that's the car we have right now.
So now,
I really want that one. That's the car we
Yep.
have.
so now since we're running this car with the Bluetooth, hold on. Since we're running this car with the Bluetooth, see this little switch right here? Hey,
Yeah?
see this little switch right here?
Yeah?
Switch it over to the B. That's for Bluetooth.
Okay.
And then we'll turn it on.
Alright, on.
And then in the app, we'll select over. Here's the one we have.
Yeah.
Smart Robot Mini Car. And then see this little Bluetooth thing up here with the X in it? We'll click on that. And if you hold it real close to the car, it'll connect. And when it turns blue up there, it's connected. Alright.
It works.
Oh!
Bye. Can I try, Daddy?
Yep, you sure can. Here, hold the phone up here. We'll turn it around like this. So, here, hold the phone up here so you can see what's going on. Alright, you push this forward. See this little joystick thing there? There you go. There you go.
Hi. What about this?
Got a horn? Push the horn again. These are the different kind of modes we can drive it in, and we'll get to that in just a moment. Oh! Back it around. Back it up. Back it up. Make it go backwards. 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 Now then, we'll take it. See the line? The big black
Wait,
line?
Daddy, give me some obstacles.
Yep. See the big black line?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to turn it on,
And what does it do?
and I'm going to hold the button down until the two lights in the front turn green. See they turn green? Now watch it.
Whoa! That is amazing!
And it follows the line.
Cool.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Yep, you know. Alright, Aiden. So the little robot mini car kit, what do you think about it?
It's great.
It's great. Was it easy to build?
Yeah.
Is it pretty cool? Do you like driving it around?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's a pretty neat kit. We had fun building it.
Yeah.
Only took us a little while, didn't it?
Yeah.
And it was really easy to put together.
My favorite part about this video was when we got the test driving.
You get the test drive, it was pretty cool.
Doing all the driving.
Yep.
I
Now-
loved the mode where I loved how it followed the line on the instructions.
Yep. So, it's got a few other modes. We didn't play with none of them. But it does some other things. Some other modes.
We play some in future videos.
It does the line tracking mode. We did that one.
Yes.
The mobile control mode. That's where we use the phone.
Yeah.
The obstacle avoidance mode. That's the one where we had the stuff on the floor.
Yeah.
And then it has an auto follow mode. So we didn't play with it. And the explorer mode. We didn't play with that either.
What's the explorer mode?
We'll find out later on. All right.
Okay.
So.
This was a great build. Very fun. And
It's just a pretty neat kit. So it was pretty nice for ELEGOO to send us this for free to try out. And if anyone else wants to try one, you can get them on Amazon. They're not too bad priced, and it's a really well-made kit. And I think you and your kids or whoever would have a lot of fun with this.
yes.
Make a pretty good Christmas present, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it would. All right. So we're just going to finish that video up now. So until next time, I'll see you later. And thanks for watching. Want to say bye, Aiden?
Bye. And if you get this, if you have a chance, tell us your opinion in the comments.
All right, that'll work. All right. Till next time. See you later.